Hey guys, so I came into work today and I received this big box from DDC, and I wanted you to see what exactly it's gonna look like, what your package is gonna look like. So let's do unboxing together and I'll show you exactly what your supply box will look like when you receive a package from DDC. Okay, if you set up a new account with DDC, these are the things you should expect in your boxes. So unbox with me. Okay. So you're going to get the fraternity. This is the NIPP test kit for blood draw. You're gonna get 1, 2, 3 of these boxes. Okay, you're gonna get 3 of these. Also in this box is a prepaid hair bill from DDC. DDC is actually located in Ohio, Fairfield. Okay, you're gonna get a bunch of this. They are all prepaid air labels, so you don't have anything to worry about shipping label. The only thing you have to worry about is you getting a FedEx location for drop off. Okay, also in your box is going to look like this test kits right here. You're gonna get this actually additional test kits for paternity tests, and so much instructions are here, but these are the envelopes, instructions on how to do your collection. As you can see, it says collection instructions. Envelope, an envelope as well that already has a label on it, including all of this swab kits. Okay, so I received a lot of this one. Let's count 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a lot. I'm not gonna count, but as you can see, it's a lot of those. It's for paternity. It's about 20 of them. Okay. Also in your box is the GPS origin test kits. This is for Ancestry DNA, so don't lose and don't miss out on this one here. In the kit has the shipping information full of detailed instructions. I don't know if you guys can see all this instructions, and of course these 2 vials, the 2 swab, and the envelope for instructions for collection. This is solely for Ancestry DNA. Okay, I'm gonna get this test kit. Also in your box is this one here. This is for test home sample. So if you have some patients that want a private confidential DNA test, this is for home. And again, the instructions are here. You can actually send this home with your client to go and self-test. Okay, you have some clients that want to do this on their own for privacy and all that, so you can actually resell this kits right here. Okay, and in this envelope, in this box, is chain of custody. Chain of custody. All right, you don't have to worry about printing and all that. They can actually fill this out with their hand. So chain of custody is in this envelope right here. Okay. Also in this box is a whole lot of DNA test kit sample, and in each of this bag is a seal, 3 envelope, and up to 9 mouth swab. This is for a whole family, for the father, for the mom, and the child. but you can use as desired. If you only have one patient, you can use this kit, and if you have 3, you can use this kit. I have close to 30 of this in this bag. And lastly, in this box is a bunch of envelopes. Free items. In this envelope right here, you're gonna use this prepaid label. You just take one for each envelope, right? And you affix this right in front of your envelope. Okay. And this sample bags is for your non-invasive pregnancy test kit. So when you're done, you're going to go ahead and put in this bag, and also put one of this on top. Okay. Let me show you what's in each box here. It should have 2 tubes, and this is a full paternity non-invasive pregnancy test. Also comes with a chain of custody. Comes with an envelope. This is for the father's sample. These 2 sticks. It's called the mouse swab. 1, 2 for 1. It's 2 in each. So 2 on the side, the other one on this side. And is this padded for the tubes. Okay, this is where you draw the blood. Okay, you draw the blood. When you're done, you put it back here so that your specimen is not gonna shatter, it's not gonna break before it gets to the lab. And you put it in this envelope here, in this bag, specimen bag. Biohazard. Now it's now a biohazard because it's blood. It contains blood. So once you finish collecting the specimen, you put it back in this bag. You collect the dad, the mouse swab. If it's a legal chain, if it's a legal test, complete the chain of custody. If not, you can discard this, and it shifts the lab. So let me know if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys again. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see more beautiful videos like this. All right, I'll talk to you guys again. It's your girl, Coach E from Maryland.